Espérate aquí. Oye, I need to know what apartment this woman lives in.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't give you that kind of... Apartment 1504.
Gracias. Julio, Tomás, Ricardo, las escaleras. Sancho, espérate aquí.
You said you wanted a blonde. I'm a blonde.
Well, I hope I could trust you. The last time I wound up naked in the back of a taxi.
Don't worry, I brought my own car. Shit, we're being robbed.
Oh, phew, I thought it was my wife.
Get your hands off my ass.
Just go with the program.
¡Qué cabrón! ¡Agárranos!
Hi.
Hey, baby, what's going on?
Stop! ¡Agárralos! Get the fuck out! Don't get out of here!
Take the wheel! Get down!
Motherfucker!
Hold on.
Welcome to Best Burgers. May I take your order, please? May I take your order, please?